Attention, Newark Vocational.
Welcome to Newark Chops.
Let's go, Newark Vogue!
We are diving into the heart of Newark's finest and best culinary academy, along with our students' world-class culinary ability.
The only difference is that there's cameras.
This season, our top culinary students are about to face off in a fierce competition,
This was fire.
putting their training and skills to the test for the top prize.
1, 2, 3, team go!
Our team is the best,
Obviously.
But I feel like my team is really strong.
Hey, baby. Ooh, the fire.
It's easy to communicate with them when they not in they like feelings.
How much salt do you need in mashed potatoes?
Being the only girl on this team is very annoying.
Nobody gets on your nerves like family, you know?
If you don't get your way,
You don't know the potential that I am.
And the winner of Newark Chops is